discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. So, is there a way you can put the windows up real quick for info? I do videos, so you already know. Wow. Nice. So what's your name and what's in here?
My name's Rick, and I got 415s. It's a little mix. I got 2 sound cube and 2 def fonts.
Okay.
Only because blew 2 of each.
You blew 2 of each, so you put them together.
Mix set.
But it still works.
It works.
As long as your impedance isn't. I mean, are they still dual ones or?
Yep, they're dual ones.
Awesome. How's your battery, electrical, and alternator?
190 amp hour C-Max, 320 alt. Okay. That stay right around there. I might drop a little into 14s, but not too bad.
Very nice. And you got your back seats for a demo-friendly build, that's for sure.
Yeah, so them out of a wreck truck.
And the amps are behind?
2 amps are here, and then actually in the bed, the other 2 amps. Those are just my amps for my highs.
Okay, I'll see it after the demo.
Okay.
Yeah.
I don't know why I keep blowing them. Yeah, it gets a little smelly, but that's how
At least you can smell them and you not have them in the sealed section, so.
Yeah.
Is it too much power? Is it clipping? Is it
clipping?
Clipping?
Yeah, I got 2 solid 8s in the back. I'm fixing to put 2 more back there.
Can I see it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's a lot of power.
I'm going to go with 4, I'm going to have 4 solid 8s in there. I got a solid 8 on each side.
Okay. And you can actually pull this out if you need.
Yeah, I'm going to go ahead and pull that up.
Oh, wow. Is this weather controlled?
Yeah.
So you don't have to worry about water?
No.
Wow. That's...
So I got 2 more I'm going to put in here. I ain't done it yet. I'm going to put 1 back up.
With the same subs?
Yeah.
Ooh.
Yeah. But I'm going to run like probably 2 on or something like that. Maybe I'm not sure.
Cleaner power?
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you for showing me. This is nice. Wow. Is there a way I can get in the back? I just want to take a picture of the box. Oh, it's locked. Okay. Thank you. Oh, you got speakers there too. What's going on, everyone? This is Jacob Vile. Looking forward to showing y'all how Rick's blow-through sounds. A very unique style system with 2 different type of subwoofers, but it still sounds really great. So everybody be sure to give him a thumbs up if you haven't already. This is at the Small Town Showdown show local to Dublin, Georgia of 2021. As well as if you haven't, comment. Let him know some positive things you like about his system. I definitely like that he has some really bright LEDs in the blow-through. That way I could actually show y'all how it looks aesthetically and cosmetically inside. And also the way he laid out his subwoofer box blow-through inside of the truck in a way where there's no water damage. And he has all the cabin space to fit everybody inside. So if you look here on the way this box is laid out, he can remove the panel to get to his subwoofers, and on the right and left is his actual seal section of his 4th order enclosure. So this makes this a 4th order. I think he said he didn't tell me the specs, but it looks like it's around a 2.5 to 1 ratio 4th order, running these powerful 8,000 watt amplifiers per set. And like he was saying, he blew some subs, so he made it work with 2 subwoofers on SoundCube side and 2 subwoofers on the DefBont side. I'm going to go ahead and get to the musical bass demo now. Pretty impressive that he made this system turn out so great for what it is. And he said he's going to be adding more subs to come. So anyways, consider subscribing if you haven't already for daily cardio videos, and enjoy the bass demo. Awesome. Yeah, I'd love to hear it, man. This looks good. All right. At least you can smell them and you're not having them in the sealed section. So, is it too much power? Is it clipping? Is it clipping?
Yeah, I got 2 solid 8s in the back. I'm fixing to put 2 more back there.
Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JakeOfVile when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.